Captain Ibrahim Traore on his way to Manga was treated to a walkabout in Kombisiri, the capital of Bazega province. That is a place in Burkina Faso. Youthful crowds, women, young people, and elderly people, led by administrative, traditional, and religious authorities, gave the head of state a warm welcome, marking a moment of communion between the president of Faso and the people. Listen, if you look at the joy on the face of the people, my goodness, show me one president. Go and show me one president on the planet that has recorded this moment in 2025. This moment that you can see very clearly on the screen. Look, Ibrahim Traore, let me tell you something. Okay, that's in Faso. That's in Burkina Faso. Take him to any other African countries. If the whole place will not go into chaos with immediate effect. This guy is Africa. Africa is this guy. If you don't understand now, you know. Like, this is just funny. I'm telling you, nobody, I've not seen a president that is this loved. And let's push that aside, right? The unity in Burkina Faso at this time is greater than ever. Let me tell you something. To reduce or to curb the religious rift among people, Captain Ibrahim Traore once said that anybody that raises any sort of religious discrimination in Burkina Faso will go to jail. We don't even hear any religion hate on any religion. If you read the comment, they said led by administrative, traditional, and religious authorities. So everybody is working hand in hand just to push the country forward. The pharmaceutical sector, bring the traditional medicine, just that you find the therapeutic dose and you have to know the toxic dose. You bring the modern clinical medicine. Let us go. Let us go by way of medicinal offensive. This guy is a whole different being entirely. And look, let me now tell you the most distinct thing I'm seeing in this picture. You can see the flags, AES flags, Malian flags, Nigerian flags, Burkina Faso flag. Did you see PDP or APC or NMPP or Labour Party? Do you see any party flag? Do you see any party flag? In my country, you will be seeing different parties. It is party. You will not even see a Nigerian flag. This is what we are talking about. This is unity at the very highest level. Look at the flags. This can tell you in what direction these people are moving. So progressive. Even a blind man recently in Burkina Faso contributed 25,000 CFA franc to the Faso Mebo project. These people, they are different. The government is different. So you all can see now that the proof is in the pudding. Men lie, women lie, but the people of Burkina Faso don't lie. So let's move forward. The general authority of the Malian armed forces informs the public before the terrorists start lying. So get this first hand from the Malian authorities. That on the morning of June the 14th, which is today, a combat aircraft returning from a mission supporting the Malian armed forces in the eastern theater of Operation Dugo Koloko made a forced landing in the river of Gao, not far from the airstrip. The two pilots were recovered in good health and are receiving appropriate care in the military area healthcare facility. No casualties. The aircraft has equally been recovered as we speak. So, ladies and gentlemen, you see, everything is going in the right direction. Everything is going according to plan. We are happy. We are winning. You see, but you know, the funny thing is, currently in Burkina Faso, there is no problem. Burkina Faso is working as a unit. Mali is getting there, but Mali is going to take a little bit of time to really exterminate these hoodlums, because you know Mali is very big. Mali is big, so it's going to be a little bit longer of a fight. But the fighting in Mali is going only one way, the way of the African Corps and the Malian farmers. The terrorists might keep lying. We don't care about propagandas. We only care about what is happening on the ground. So, ladies and gentlemen, the AES is moving in the right direction. So, guys, this is the first news of the day. We said we should bring it to your doorstep. It's your boy 7200 signing out. Enough said. But before I go,
عاش اللي لغاك ساسا
تتر الله اكبر الله اكبر يا انسان في النصر في الكوفر الى مليون نسل يا مالي